Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to everyone. So today I'd like to share with all of you on how that we can expand this binomial expansion of 2 minus x over 2 in bracket to the power of 6. Okay, there is something that numbers that can help us to expand this, because, for example, if I share with all of you straightly here, okay, we got the numbers of 1 and 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And we may continue. Okay, so now what is all about? Okay. So these numbers, okay, for example, this is where n equal to 1. What is n equal to 1 here? Is based on the number, or we call the index, or we call the power of this binomial expansion here, binomial term here. So just imagine that if I have, for example, x plus y to the power of 1, that is equal to x plus y. So if I have x plus y squared, then it come out with x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay, look at this one here now. We got 1, 2, and 1. Okay, so when n equal to 2, then the coefficient of x and y is 1, 2, and 1. So 1, 2, and 1. This is when n equal to 2. So this for n equal to 3, n equal to 4, and n equal to 5. So right now the question here, in bracket of 2 minus x divided by 2 to the power of 6. So we're going to add another line here to come up with 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. So this is all the coefficient that we're going to use. Okay, for this expansion. Okay, now the idea of expansion of all this, 2 minus x over 2 to the power of 6. Okay, now these all the coefficient that we're going to use. And for example, I begin the expansion slowly. 1 times 2 to the power of 6 negative x over 2 to the power of 0. Okay, and then plus with 6, 2 to the power of 5, then negative x over 2 to the power of 1, plus with 15, this one here, 2 to the power of 4, negative x over 2 to the power of 2, or square, plus with 20, 2 power of 3, then negative x over 2 to the power of 3, plus with, another after 20, which is 15 here, 15, 2 to the power of 2, then negative x over 2 power of 4. Next, after 15, coefficient is 6 here, 6, 2 power of 1, negative x over 2 power of 5, and 1 multiplied with 2 to the power of 0, and negative x over 2 to the power of 6. Okay, so now Okay. So, any numbers that to the power of 0, automatically it become 1. So means that there is another one that will turn it become 1 here. Okay, now. Okay, so right now we're going to simplify all this. 2 to the power of 6. Okay, you have your calculator with you right now. Just press the button of 2 to the power of 6, it gives you 64. And then 2 power of 5 and negative x divided by 2 to the power of 1. So 2 power of 5 and 1 over 2 to the power of 1. So it becomes 2 to the power of 4 between this. And then times with 6 and negative. Then it gives you negative 96x. Then, what about this one here? 2 to the power of 4 and 1 over 2 to the power of 2 is just like 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 square, which is 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 square, which is equal to 4. So 4 times 15 equal to 60. 60, and then negative x squared here, negative square become positive, so x squared. So, and this one here, 2 cubed and 1 over 2 power of 3. So 2 cubed divided by 2 power 2 cubed equal to 1. Then finally it gives you minus 20x cubed. Okay, negative to the power of 3 equal to negative. Multiply it positive and positive, then come up with negative here. Plus with this, it gives you 15 over 4 x to the power of 4 minus 3 over 8. Okay, so 2 power of 1 and 1 over 2 power of 5, then become 1 over 4 power of 16, and divide 16 times 2 here equal to 3 over 8 x to the power of 5. And then finally, this one here, x power of 6 divided by 64. Okay, so you just imagine that if any binomial numbers here, or what we call binomial term, to the power of 6 or 7 or 8, you need to expand it slowly one by one. And it getting more longer and longer, and it takes might be more than half an hour to solve that. But with this, what do we call this? Numbers of Pascal's triangle. Okay, with this, what we call a Pascal's triangle, it helps us to find the coefficient that help us to, we call, expand it. Okay, I forgot something. First, we got 2 to the power of 6 and negative x over 2 to the power of 0. So the idea is, this is the first term and this is the second term. So the first term begin with the highest n, which is 6 here, and negative x over 2 to the power of 0. Plus with then 2 from 6, okay, reduced to 5, and negative x over 2 from 0 increase 1. The next term 2, just now we do 5 and then become 4, and then negative x over 2 from 0, 1, 2. So the first term of 2 from the highest degree of n, which is 6, decrease 1 by 1. 2, 1, 0. And then the second term, negative x over 2 to the power of 0, increase 1 by 1. And the summation of these two, 6 plus 0 equal to 6. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So the idea is the summation of index between the first and second term, 3 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 1 plus 5, and 1, 0 plus 6 is must equal to the end of the question here. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a nice day.